I'm so embarrassed because I've just taken so many selfies and I never take selfies. I mean, I take advanced selfies, but not just like, you know, normal iPhone selfies. But I can't stop. Look at this. It's amazing. Scotland. This is why people should travel to Europe, for great lighting. Just kidding. You should travel to Europe for tons of other reasons beside that. But great lighting is a perk. Just to give you guys a little update, I got into Scotland last night and took the train early this morning to Inverness, so I am beat because I got like 4 hours of sleep. But it is beautiful here, not as cold as I thought it was gonna be, but it has started to snow, and tomorrow I'm gonna go find Nessie, so wish me luck while I'm at Loch Ness. So cute. And breakfast is delivered to me in the morning. So excited. All right, just another little update. I am currently in Fortrose in the Highlands, and I'm walking to Shannonry Point, which is a cute little lighthouse and apparently great dolphin watching. The bus driver told me it was half a mile. I looked, it's a mile and a half. I don't think he knew the conversion to kilometers to miles very well, but anyways, it's fine. I could use a chance to stretch my legs. And then from here, I am going to walk, I suppose, because there's no taxis and there's nobody on the road, so I can't even hitchhike. So I guess I'm going to walk to the Rosemarkie ferry glen, which is the next town, but it's not very far at all. So yeah, here we go. Okay, so I went to Shannonry Point and the sun went behind some clouds, so the temperature has dropped. That's okay, I'm keeping warm by walking. I don't know what is going on with the hood of my jacket, but it's driving me crazy. I can't get it to unscrunch. Ooh, almost just slid on some ice. Anyways, I'm now walking along a golf course to get from Shannonry Point to Rosemarkie. It's about 2.2 kilometers. And I thought I was going to take the road all the way out and then back over, but I found this cute, adorable little walking trail that is awesome. So if you guys ever decide to do this walk, definitely take this. It's really pretty right along the beach, but I'm in like little, not heels, but like in little booties. And it's a really easy walk. The ground is hard, except for I just slipped. But yeah, it's a really easy walk and it's absolutely gorgeous. Okay, update. I am at Loch Ness and it is beautiful. I'm currently at Urquhart. I learned how to pronounce it today. It's not your cart as I was originally saying, or Urquhart, I think I said it once. It's Urquhart Castle, and no sign of Nessie, guys. I'm very disappointed by this, but this castle is amazing and the scenery is just, it's to die for. Seriously, I'm obsessed. I'm just sitting here on the shores of the loch right now, just amazed at how pretty it is. beat. I have one more city to go. I'm going to visit Fort Augustus, but I am an idiot and I left my gloves on the bus, so I had to buy these from the gift shop down there because it's cold. But they were only 9 pounds, and the guy told me they're genuine Aran wool, so yay. I hope my mom doesn't hear this because they're her gloves that I lost. Oh, I lost hers and mine. They were inside each other because mine are just like liners. Yeah, that's probably $100 worth of gloves I lost. Stinks. Oh well. But yeah, I am beat, you guys. I've done so much walking today. It is, and I did not wear the shoes for it today. The one day I decided to wear my nice shoes, I did all the walking, but it's been fun. Guys, I am amazed, and I just wanted to say that this right here, what I'm about to show you, is the reason why I travel. Take a look. That right there is Loch Ness. This video doesn't do justice. So I got on the bus to come to Drumbegan, yes. So I got on the bus to come to the Drumbegan Castle, and it's closed because it's winter, and everything on this island apparently closes during the winter. But it is gorgeous here, so I took a little hike, and I can see the castle from here, so I flew the drone over there and took some video, and it's really pretty. I'm currently on Skye, if that wasn't clear, but it is gorgeous here. A lot of walking again today, but I wore proper shoes this time, but everything is wet. It has kind of been raining. My shoes are filthy. Look at these guys. Real dirty. That's what I get for wearing white boots. My gloves are dirty. My jacket is dirty. Literally, I am filthy. I'm gonna have to like try and wash some of this stuff tonight at the hostel, I guess. And then I'm also an idiot, and I somehow booked. I just forgot there was 31 days in January, so I don't have anywhere to stay tomorrow night. So I think I'm gonna stay in Skye another night because tomorrow I'm going to rent a car and drive around. So that way I don't have to leave as early as I'd planned, because the bus to leave would be at like 3:30, and that was going to put me in a time crunch to see everything that I wanted to see. So now I think I'm going to stay another night and be able to kind of explore a little bit without being rushed, which is really nice. And I'm going to rent a car and drive around because the buses here are few and far between, for lack of a better word. But there's this company just down the street from my hostel called Jan's Car Hire, and they're letting me rent a car at 24, which is rare. A lot of people won't let you rent a car if you're under 25. So letting me rent a car for 24, at 24 for like 56 pounds, automatic. So yeah, and that's how much a tour would cost, and this way I can do it at my own pace. I might see if anybody in the hostel wants to go with me, so I can maybe split the price with somebody, but if not, whatever, you know, it's cool. I'm gonna drive around tomorrow and have some fun. Guys, I really should be leaving to catch my bus right now, but I just cannot get over this gorgeous lighting. Oh, just look at it. Oh my God. And it was like starting to pour down rain, and now it is just like beautiful, and I don't want to leave, but I have to walk to catch my bus. I'm gonna stay another 10 minutes and then walk, because this is just, Scotland. Driving on the left, kind of. This is why I'm so glad I rented. Look at this beautiful site. I mean, if I was on a tour company or taking the bus, I could not stop here. Okay, so I'm currently hiking to the Old Man of Store. The parking lot is back down there, down the hill somewhere, like in this area down. As you can see, the trail that I came up right here, all the way up, and now I gotta keep going up and around. There's no end in sight, but it's supposed to be beautiful once I get up there, and it's beautiful here right now, so I'm very excited to see the Old Man of Store. I forgot to mention all this hiking today is killing my left knee because as I was leaving the hostel at 7:15 this morning, I stepped outside and immediately slipped on ice and did like a little jazz split and banged my knee straight into the cement, and it did not feel good. I promise you, it felt quite horrible actually. So yeah, this walk down, we're not as strenuous on. My heart is killing my knee right now, but hey, the things we do for traveling, right? Top of the day, there's a ruined castle over here, trying to make it before the sun totally goes down, so we will see what happens. A little tiny railing to get back here, so I'm gonna walk back over there and take pictures of the castle before I lose all my light so I don't die. But just look at, oh my goodness, it's crazy. Just watch. I'm in. Through that way. I just came from down there is where I was flying the drone, somewhere on the other side of the railroad tracks.